Imagine a drone that captures everything around it in full 360 degrees. No framing needed, no second guesses. That's exactly what DJI is teasing with their latest leak. For weeks, the drone community has been buzzing about the hints, and now DJI has officially confirmed it, the DJI Avata 360. From the tagline, "See it all," to rumors of 8K 360-degree recording, replaceable lenses, and affordable pricing, this drone could completely change how creators shoot aerial footage. Instead of worrying about lining up the perfect shot while flying, this drone records everything happening around it in full 360 degrees. Later, you can reframe your footage however you want,
The next teaser is expected to drop on March 12th.
And
if
it
that
might
happens,
even let
we
you
could start
switch
seeing
between
more
full
official
360
details very
capture
soon.
and a standard
So while nothing is
forward-facing
confirmed
camera
yet,
mode, which
these
would make
leaks
it
suggest
super
that
flexible
DJI
depending on
Avata
your filming
360
style.
could bring some meaningful
DJI
changes,
has also
from cheaper
confirmed
batteries
the
to
launch date,
replaceable
March
lenses.
26th, so we're just a few weeks away from seeing the full reveal. With all the leaks and teasers leading up to it, it feels like DJI is slowly preparing us for the big announcement. From the leaks, here's what we can expect from the Avata 360. 8K 360-degree video recording, plus several lower-resolution modes. It should use DJI's latest O4 transmission system, and there might even be a 4G backup connection for more reliable control. Obstacle sensing is also rumored to be upgraded, possibly with LiDAR and multiple sensors. And in terms of compatibility, it looks like it will work with DJI Goggles N3, the RC Motion 3, and the RC2 controller, so integrating it into your DJI setup should be seamless. Now, let's talk about pricing, which is where things get exciting. European listings reported by Jasper Ellens suggest the Avata 360 could start at around €459 for the drone alone. There are also combo options, like a Fly More set with the RC2 controller for about €939, or a Motion Fly More combo, including the RC Motion 3 and Goggles N3 at a similar price. The premium package, with both the RC2 and Goggles N3, is listed around €1,159. Accessories are reportedly priced reasonably too. The Intelligent Flight Battery could cost around €79, a replacement lens kit about €21, and propellers around €9. The lens kit is a particularly interesting addition because if you scratch a lens during a crash, you could just swap it out instead of repairing the entire camera module. And it doesn't stop there. Another teaser or trailer is expected on March 12th, which could give us a better look at the drone or reveal more features. So far, the DJI Avata 360 looks like it could be a game-changer for 360-degree aerial filming. High-resolution 8K footage, flexible filming perspectives, smart obstacle sensing, and competitive pricing could make it one of the most accessible ways to shoot 360 content. Of course, we'll have to wait for the official launch on March 26th to see everything for ourselves. But based on the leaks and teasers so far, DJI is shaping up to deliver something pretty exciting for drone enthusiasts and content creators alike. If you want to keep up with all the updates and get the latest on DJI Avata 360 leaks, make sure to subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next.